Nordrhein-Westphalia. Nordrhein-Westfalen in German is one of the 16 federal states in Germany located in the western part of the country. It's the most populous state in Germany and is known for its industrial cities, cultural heritage, and diverse landscapes. So I was actually here in the capital of Nordrhein-Westphalia, Düsseldorf. Beautiful places. I was in Straße, of the most beautiful places. You could see almost all the top designer brands. From Düsseldorf, I was able to get to other cities like Dortmund, Bonn, Siegen, Bochum, many other cities. Like plenty other cities are connected to Düsseldorf in this Nordrhein-Westfalen. It's a very wonderful place to be in. From there, you could literally go to like 5 countries very close, like Netherlands, France, other countries. I was actually in Amsterdam, Netherlands. I was in Brussels, Belgium, Paris, France, Zurich, and in Switzerland, also in Luxembourg. Very interesting place. From Nordrhein-Westphalia, you could get to all these other areas. Lots of university and lots of beautiful places. Quite interesting.